Hey everyone, the HP OmniBook 7 Aero 13 is a clear example of HP taking a focused, no-nonsense approach to the ultralight laptop category. Instead of chasing spec sheet buzzwords or flashy display technologies, HP has built a machine that prioritizes weight, endurance, and real-world performance above all else. The result is a 13-inch subnotebook that weighs right around 1 kilogram, yet avoids many of the compromises that typically define laptops in this class. In hand, the OmniBook 7 Aero 13 immediately feels purpose-built for mobility. Its compact footprint and extremely low weight make it ideal for frequent travelers, commuters, and anyone who carries a laptop all day. HP has managed to deliver a sturdier base than many competitors, which gives the device a reassuring sense of durability despite its featherweight construction. Performance is another area where the OmniBook 7 Aero 13 punches above its weight. Powered by AMD's Ryzen AI 7350 processor, based on the Zen 5 architecture, the laptop delivers CPU performance that surpasses many other 13-inch systems, including premium models like ZenBook S13 and MSI Summit E13. Everyday tasks such as multitasking, productivity workloads, coding, and even light content creation feels smooth and responsive. The integrated graphics are only average and clearly not aimed at gaming or GPU-intensive workloads. But this is an expected trade-off given the system's focus and thermal constraints. Battery life is arguably OmniBook 7 Aero 13's most impressive achievement. Despite housing a relatively small 43 watt-hours battery, the laptop consistently delivers more than 10 hours of WLAN usage. This is largely thanks to the efficiency gains of Zen 5 CPU, which allows the system to stretch every watt of power. For a machine this light, such endurance is remarkable and makes it especially appealing to users who need all-day battery life without carrying charger. Where the OmniBook 7 Aero 13 clearly shows its compromises is in the display department. HP has opted not to offer OLED, touchscreen, HDR, or high refresh rate options, features that have become increasingly common even in thin and light laptops. The available display is functional and well-suited for productivity and general use, but it lacks the visual punch and modern flair of competitors with OLED panels or 120 Hz refresh rates. Advanced display technologies tend to increase power consumption, weight, and cost, and HP has clearly prioritized battery life and portability instead. Other aspects of the laptop reflect similar trade-offs tied to its ultra-low weight goal. Port selection is practical, but not expansive. Cooling is tuned for efficiency rather than sustained high loads, and upgrade options are limited. None of these are deal-breakers in isolation, but together they reinforce the idea that the OmniBook 7 Aero 13 is designed for a very specific audience rather than trying to be all things to all users. Overall, the HP OmniBook 7 Aero 13 stands out as one of the most balanced ultralight 13-inch laptops available for users who value mobility, battery life, and strong CPU performance above premium extras. It may lack the visual luxuries and versatility found in heavier competitors, but what it delivers instead is consistency, efficiency, and a genuinely usable everyday experience in an exceptionally light package. For professionals and students who prioritize long, unplugged work sessions and effortless portability, the OmniBook 7 Aero 13 makes a compelling and refreshingly focused case for itself. Thanks for watching. Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.